Well, hello. Today it's a Saturday morning, and I'm heading to meet someone who watches my videos, and vice versa. I watch his videos. He stays reasonably local. He stays in Perth. Watch this car behind me. He stays in Perth. And we're meeting somewhere along the Perth dual carriageway at R Nine T. First time I've ever done this, meet someone via the YouTube. Feels a bit like a dating app, eh? He's a lovely lad. And it's Grey Wolf, the man with the big Triumph rocket. Not sure he'll turn up on that today. I think he's coming in his KTM. I think it's an engineered masterpiece to get the thing out of his storage. And I just said to him, just bring your KTM, doesn't matter, we'll see it another time. So, looking forward to this. Be a nice chat. Chat to Michael on the telephone for about half an hour. I'm sure it'll be fun. I have done a little review of this bike, or yeah, I suppose it is a review. Don't like calling them reviews because it's just my personal opinion of how I get on with this motorcycle, the BMW R Nine T. However, this blinking screen, once you get over 30 miles an hour, makes so much noise that it kind of spoilt quite a bit of the film. So I'm going to do it all again. This screen's coming off. This will be off this weekend, and I should get clean air. Yeah, we should get clean air. It'll be a bit like the Royal Enfield, and I'll do it all again, I think. Good practice run if nothing else. So once again, you'll find me going through Invergowrie. I'm going through the back roads to get to Abernite today, for the simple reason that there's roadworks just about where I'm going, and going this way will completely miss it out. There we go. The bike is running very well. It's a nice motorbike. I'll leave my comments about what's good and bad about it. Not than that, man. More blinking roadworks. Yeah, I'll leave the what's good and bad about it, in my opinion, of course. Don't have to agree with it. It's just the way I find it. Until I re-record that video. It's a bit overcast today, but by Jove it's close. Feels very thundery. God, more traffic lights. So we're leaving Invergowrie, and we're heading. You see the sound? The sound's good when I go down here, but all you're doing is looking at clocks. We're coming into Kingoody. We've had a lot of rain last night, The roads are still damp. I gave this bike a good clean the other day, so hopefully it doesn't get too mucky. I've used this route before. I don't like using them, but I've now got, I don't know, 87, 86 videos out. There's only so many places you can record. So, but the subject matter's different. Great little place, Kingoody, overlooking Invergowrie Bay, and I suppose Kingoody Bay. Tide is in today. Well, I suppose it's in every day, isn't it? It looks like it's coming in. Right, I'm going to get a bit noisier, so we'll catch it at Abernite. So in previous videos you'll have seen this corner being knocked down and they've rebuilt it. This time they've put some protection there, so it's been a couple of months since they've done that and it's still standing. Now, did you see that? The last crossing that we passed is sitting at red and this one's clear. Now, this happens quite a lot. And got to say, this makes me a little tad careful coming along to it. But it happens all the time. That one's closed, lights flashing, but no trains coming. That one's open. No trains coming. In fact, there it is there, look. So there it is. You might not see that. I would imagine it's one of the bigger trains. That's an intercity train, probably from England. But these blind corners don't want to make. I want to make sure nothing comes down. It's crossed the line, so I'll have to suffer these big lumpy bits. We're now approaching the meeting point. It's Abernite Antique Centre. They've got a nice little restaurant there, do lovely food. But they also do coffee. They've got an outside cabin. I'm hoping that the outside cabin that serves the coffee is open. Save us going into the place, but I think I'm well early. Takeaway, they're not opened it, but that's fine. Oh, they have opened it. Yeah, beauty. And here we are. Right. Well, that's okay. We've got the remote control working. Right, so I'm waiting on Grey Wolf. I've got my coffee. There it is there. bike's parked here, lovely little spot. You will see there's a bit of a water fountain here, very nice. Just to let you see the rest of the place. Bit of cover as well. Yeah, you see that? We've got heaters up there for the winter time, but it's not open in the winter time. This pit's open, but the coffee shop's not open in the winter time. And just to finish it off, here we are. I mean, me and Grey Wolf couldn't get a wee play down there before we go. Anyway, table's a bit squint. I'm putting it. It's on a stand. Not sure how the picture looks. Got my little remote control. It kind of works okay once you get to know how to work it. Right, until you get here, I'll turn it. KTM is.
Job came up as an apprentice electrician, so I course of physics in the school, and I was keen to go for it. And for now, I was doing